Auditioning before the class was a little bit hit or miss. Sometimes I would find the character or not find the character. What do you do each and every time consistently so that you have a consistently great performance versus a good performance? Great actors, they know who to be, but they also have an imagination and they make a full person. And I think to some degree I was making partial people. The Acting Center Audition Intensive helped me put life back into auditions, helped me actually inject my imagination into auditions. Having a specific technique and way of approaching things in auditions is liberating. I feel really confident. I know exactly what to do, and each and every time I can have a fully developed person. I'm supposed to be another person. That's my job, and with that said, there's no other place to go.